Hello guys and welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your BEP20 coins to ERC20 coins. Stay together guys, this is going to be a bumpy ride. So first of all, you're going to have to locate your Trust Wallet app. Mine is on my home screen, so we're going to make good use of that. You click on your Trust Wallet app, you'd be given a prompt to input your passcode like so. Upon inputting your passcode, you'd be taken to the tokens menu. And from there, we're not going to linger too much here. We're going to be going to the DApps section of the screen at the bottom right corner. You click on DApps, and we're going to be looking for a particular DeFi website known as PancakeSwap. And you make sure you're on the Smart Chain network like so by simply clicking Smart Chain and clicking on the Smart Chain network. You give it some time to load up, and you make sure your wallet is connected like so. And once that's done, you go to the access bar at the top right, at the top of the PancakeSwap website, the access bar there, and you scroll to your right and you find Bridge. Once you've clicked on Bridge, you give it some time to load up. You could choose to connect your wallet. That's Wallet Connect. And once you've tapped on that, you click on Connect and it restarts the PancakeSwap website and we log back in again. Upon logging back in, we go back to Bridge and we should be connected as it stands. So now, in order to swap or convert your tokens on Bridge, you need to select the network you're looking for, be it the Ethereum network. We're going to be converting USD. Okay, we're going to be converting USDT to a different network. Probably let's use the Matic network, and we're going to be looking for coins that correlate to the Matic network, like the DAI coin. And once we've clicked on that, we're going to be going from USDT to USDC, I guess, since it's on the Matic network. You input the amount you want to convert, be it about 30 or 300 USDT is equivalent to 2,997 USDC. And that's it, guys. That's how you convert USDT on the Ethereum network to USDC on the Matic network. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions concerning how to convert or swap ERC20 coins to BEP20 coins, BEP20 coins, comment down below and you'll be given a response. Thank you.